What's up, Ninja Nerds? We just wanted to take a quick moment to wish you all an incredible and well-deserved summer break. Whether you're soaking up the sun, catching up on some rest, or gearing up for the next big step in your medical journey, we hope this season gives you the space to breathe, recharge, and come back stronger than ever. Now, while you might be getting a well-deserved break, the Ninja Nerd team will not. Here at Ninja Nerd, we're not going to stop. We're going to keep grinding all summer long, and we're doing it for you because we love you. We'll be hard at work behind the scenes. We're going to be working on updating our website for a lot of our premium members, building out brand new content, launching fresh podcast episodes, and preparing a jam-packed fall semester full of the high-yield, in-depth medical education you know and love. So again, although we won't be posting new content during the summer, just know it's only because we're building even more for you in the background. We're going to be making things like flashcards, case analysis, and so much more. So just be on the lookout for those. Now, for those of you who don't get a summer break, whether you're deep in clinicals, pushing through your medical program, or holding it down in the hospital, we see you. You're not alone. We're grinding right alongside you, continuing our mission to help millions of students, healthcare professionals, and future providers make sense of the most complex topics in medicine. From all of us here at Ninja Nerd, we thank you. We love you, Ninja Nerds. And as always, until next time.